see what's going on at this Airbnb McMansion. I think we got about 8 units here. I know the code, but I just can't walk in. How you doing? Here, look at the air conditioner.
All right.
Okay. Which one's you having a problem with, ma'am?
I think kind of all of them. It's hot up here. It's hot upstairs.
The attic's good.
Oh, yeah, the attic is good actually, but
So it's hot upstairs?
yes.
It's hot here. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know the house and I don't know where the systems are, so.
Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Let's shut this one off. 73 in here. 70. Let's set to 74. All right, let me go upstairs. You said mainly the one upstairs is not working, right? How you doing?
Lisa.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Sorry. You said that
I said here and upstairs, but
did they already show?
I haven't shown anything because I'm not sure where the units.
I'm sorry.
You're fine.
This room right here seemed to be.
Oh, yeah, I can feel it. Yep, this is the one. 68. Cooling. No, it's not.
And then, oh, okay. I think the bedroom she was talking about, I think it's the one right up here that
Okay.
they said was warm.
I'm going to step outside and check
Yep.
the outdoor units, okay? Ooh. What do we got here, mama? Oh, wow, look at that. That's cached. Okay. This is all iced up. Ice, ice, baby. Yeah, baby. Baby, baby. Okay. So let's deal with this one first. All right. Unbelievable. Look at this. Look at this here. That's damn. That's just caca. Caca, look at that. All right. The coil is so the air handler for this. Let me go find it. This is the fan stopped spinning. The compressor's been running because they've had it on. So they burnt, this compressor's burnt. This is iced up, so you got a major leak up top in the coil. Now it's iced all the way back. You see the ice down there? That line that's all iced up. So this is probably leaking, and the coil up top. Go check it out. Ooh, toasty up in here today. And I'm thinking it's this unit right here. We got ice, ice, baby. You got ice in here, mama. Icing all the way back. Over for you. This whole coil is a block of ice. All right, so this is gonna go. Let's see. I'm not even gonna try to fix this shit. Let's see. Let's see what we got. This is gonna be. It's a 4-time plenum. Bop, 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 bop. Got that. I got that at the shop. 21 inch here. Yeah, I got the coil for this at the shop, no problem. Okay. Rose up. And anybody in his room right here?
I don't know if anybody's in there or not. I think it sounds like. Someone might be in the bathroom there.
Okay, I just need to give that thermostat right.
It should be fine to come in here.
Your thermostat should be one right here, right?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, so it's okay in here. You're getting a cold air in here, right?
Feels like it, yep.
Okay. And that room over there is good, right? It's basically over on this side of the house where you guys are complaining, right?
Yes, it does seem that way now that you mention it.
Those 2 units. Okay. All right. Yeah. So let me get hold of the property manager and see how long you here for the stay, ma'am?
Till Sunday or Saturday.
Till Saturday. So you probably want some air, huh?
That might be nice.
Yeah. Well, we'll see what we can do. All right.
Appreciate it. Thanks so much.
All right. Okay. Turn that off. Should disconnect this pull. Shut that off too. I need to shut that down. Okay. So, what do we got here? What do we got here? In the McMansion. Oh, McMansions. Oh, McMansions. Let's see. Upflow. I'm not even gonna call it because I know they don't have no coil. It's 21-inch coil. I don't care about the width. I'm concerned about the height. 26. Two more units going on, baby. Get in here. AC Pro.
That's right.
Harris. David. 100K day. Start calling you 100K David. 100K David. AC Pro. We are back at the McMansion. Swap out these 2 units. Bada bing, bada boom. I said we started at 7 o'clock. It is 7:38. We got both condensers brazed in. Now we just got to do the coils. Got to do the coils. I'm gonna zip tie that. Okay.
Too tall?
No, I just metal it.
Alright. You got this or you need me up here?
Yeah, I'm gonna I gotta come down and get my stuff. I just gotta just gonna cut that out. I need to get my duckboard cutter. What happened?
Sorry about that.
You're fine. We got here at 7 o'clock, bro. It's 9:30. Both units installed.
Pretty good.
Crazy, man. The trash man can't keep up with us, huh?
Right? What?
Fuck, dude. Fuck's his problem, man? Get over here and get this shit cleaned up, man. We get fucking units to fucking slang. The trash man said, fuck this shit, huh? Strike a fucking match. Yeah, yeah. All right, we're about out here at this McMansion. I'm gonna commission these 2 units and probably replace this one. Gotta get these done and get the other one installed. Pool guy! How you doing, man?
Rod.
Nice to meet you, Rod. Ernie. Getting these ACs up to par.
Oh,
Yeah, fun stuff, brother.
Sorry. I'll be out of your way in a sec.
No, 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 you're not in my way.
I'm not sure it will be for actually.
All right.
You good?
How's it going, man?
Long week.
Long week. This is understatement, man. It's like a friggin'
Wife.
golly, man. Okay, so now that I got you here,
Yeah.
let me explain to you what I was talking about over the text messages. Okay, so this is a heat pump right here, right?
Yeah.
So originally they put this in as a heat pump, but they have a gas furnace inside. So they probably just only had this left over.
Uh-huh.
So this is electric heat and cool.
Yeah.
So they're just using it for straight cool.
Okay.
So we can replace this with a straight cool.
Okay.
So I'll go down there again this morning and verify, and then just shoot you a price over for that, and we'll talk about that later. All right, so let me get going, see if I can get these guys some comfort.
Yeah.
We're at Eduardo Torres using the Stay Bright 8. Don't, like I say, you don't have to. Take the heat away. Take the heat away. You can go right around it. Because remember, it's it'll suck it right in with that capillary attraction. You got them all?
Got one more.
Okay. I'm gonna go upstairs. A real short line set here. Get the baby Navac vacuum pump. This thing's money. The short line sets or new line sets as well. So you don't need no power. Just drop the battery in it and go. Lightweight. Good to go. I installed this late last night. I put it on nitrogen this morning. I had a leak. But you know, when you work late at night, that's when mistakes start to happen. So this is what happened. I left my TXV union loose. So tighten this back up. All right. Put it back on nitrogen and see where we're at. What we got? Nice and quiet. It's alive. It's alive, Eddie. It's alive. All right. Get this other one rolling. Furnace blew the transformer. Eddie told me it's 220 going to this furnace.
What made you want to do that?
Dun, 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 dun.
What made you want to do that?
I love you, bro. All right, let's get that transformer in and get the hell out of here.
But, I mean, I wasn't tripping right though. Like,
No, you weren't tripping. You weren't tripping. You just used the wrong outlet. It's all right, brother. It's not your fault. Come on, man. The boxes were hiding it. The boxes that you threw up there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that?
2 hours?
Yeah, brother.
2 hours?
Total of 5. 5 hours, 2 units. Beautiful. All right, that's it. Yeah, I just want to check the supply out of here right quick.
Yeah, no worries. Might as well do it while you're here.
Where you from, buddy?
I am from Connecticut.
Connecticut. Really? What, you just come out here for Airbnb vacation, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm from Maine.
Maine.
Straight out of Maine. Maniac, bro.
Nice, dude. Yeah, no, I've been to Maine a few times. It's very woody.
Sorry to hear that. No, I'm just joking. It was a fun place growing up, but I could never go back there and live. There's nothing there, no. It's at a snail's pace. But, yeah. It's all beautiful, though, up there, you know? It was fun growing up. That's for sure.
I can imagine running around in the woods, stuff like that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You got some cold air blowing, sir. So you have a good stay at your Airbnb vacation.
We will.
This is a beautiful place.
Yeah.
I do a lot of work out here.
I'm so lucky to be here.
I'll probably come out here eventually and hang out a few nights. All right, man. You have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
Yep. On to the next one. Yeah, you're good. Just probably don't bring the thermostat below 72. You should be good. Okay?
So not sub-zero.
Not sub-zero, man. Have a good stay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. All right, Eddie. Got this 4-ton, 3-ton M series changed out for this Airbnb. McMansion. Do a lot of work out here, so came out the other night. Did work at 7 o'clock. It was an emergency situation, so we came out at 7 and worked about 3 hours. Got everything set, everything pretty much done, all the big stuff, and then came out this morning. Spent about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, and got everything up and running. Had an issue, you know, a couple hiccups here and there, but yeah, for the most part, we're good to go. About to head out to Poway now, install an X series with my man Eddie, and see how that goes. So we're on to the next one, huh, Eddie? Okay. All right. Thanks for watching.